Are you looking for a beginner table saw? In this video, I will show you the best beginner table saws in 2020 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the DeWalt DWE7485. This DeWalt table saw is maximized for accuracy and capacity. The table saw includes onboard storage for the blade guard assembly, non-through cut riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, blade change wrenches, miter gauge, and push stick. The powerful 15-amp, 5,800 RPM motor allows users to complete a majority of applications. The rack and pinion fence allows for fast, easy adjustments and provides the capacity to rip 4x8 sheet goods. It has a metal roll cage base for job site durability. The fourth product on the list is the WORX WX572L portable tabletop saw. Making on-demand cuts has never been easier and more portable. Blade runner is lightweight and sets up in seconds. Taking materials back to your workshop is a thing of the past. Make the cut right then and there. It may be a portable saw, but it still has a large rip fence, hold-down guard, and splitter for straighter, longer, and wider cuts. This table saw cuts multiple materials like wood, metal, tile, aluminum, plastic. The blades to cut them all are included and can be stored right in the base. Blade changes are tool-free and take seconds, so you can keep things moving. This is an excellent product if you are looking for a table saw that is extremely portable and reasonably priced. The third product on the list is the Bosch 4100-09 table saw. The Bosch 4100 XC 10-inch worksite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand delivers both professional rip capacity and outstanding portability for a tool that can get the job done. The powerful 15-amp saw delivers 4.0 max HP for outstanding productivity. It also incorporates soft start circuitry for smooth but quick ramp up to the operating speed. It includes constant response circuitry to help maintain speed under load, restart protection to avoid accidental startup, and overload protection. The square lock rip fence is engineered for maximum trueness and great ease of use. It includes an enhanced auxiliary fence for narrow workpieces. The lighter gravity rise wheeled stand has treaded rubber composite tires and a single action design for easy setup and transport. It is job site ready with heavy duty construction. The second product on the list is the NovelLife Mini Hobby Table Saw. This miniature table saw is designed for thin wood, balsa, bamboo, plastic, acrylic plate material cutting to do DIY model hobbies. Solid thick steel frame equipped with 795 type dual ball bearing high torque motor providing strong cutting power but low noise. The cutting table has the miter gauge and laser scaled plate meeting your accurate cutting needs. It is equipped with blade height adjustment structure supporting 0 to 20 mm adjustment range and 3-inch HSS circular saw blade, 2.4 diamond saw blade and 3 alloy steel saw blade for PCB board, plastic, PVC, wood, balsa, acrylic material cutting perfect for DIY projects. The first product on the list is the DeWalt DW7491RS. The DW7491RS 10-inch job site table saw has 31 to 0.5-inch rip capacity, and a rolling stand has a 15-amp motor and 32.5 rip capacity to allow cutting of large and hardwood materials. Features tool-free guarding component adjustments and fast, accurate fence adjustments. Rolling stand designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. This versatile table saw is perfect for almost all the trims you need to make. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.